Hey, you guys, welcome to my home and welcome to my channel. Today, you guys, I will be sharing with you my spring/Easter coffee beverage station setup, which is part of a collaboration that is hosted by two beautiful women on this platform here. And that is none other than A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis, and her co-host is Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. Now, you guys, to participate in this collaboration is easy breezy. All you had to do is be subscribed to both of their channels and decorate or set up your bar station, your coffee station, your beverage station, whatever it is that you have for this season. And I will be sharing with you a few bunnies, some flowers, some eggs, and some snacks. Now, these items here are some of the items that I may or may not use, but this is how I have searched my home for a lot of these things, especially the florals. I had to go in my bin and see what I had there. These beautiful eggs here that you see there are from Walmart. Absolutely gorgeous. That egg there, it's a consignment shop find. So you guys, you're going to have to continue to watch to see what things that I do use and what things that I let wait until the next challenge or video or whatever it is that I do next. But I do welcome each and every one of you here, and I thank you guys so much for stopping by. So continue to watch to see what it is that I will be using for this challenge. Okay, you guys, welcome to my spring/Easter coffee beverage station setup for 2021. You guys, I am super excited about this. As you see here, I have a array of beautiful flowers that are just placed in this middle section here. And then along each side, you will see my bunnies and my eggs and a few little canister can be used for cookies or candies. Those little jars in the rear there, they are from Amazon. Now here in this little cubby here, you will see my little bunny set, like the little bunny that's been tickled. And then you will also see the little bunnies pulling the wagon. They are also a consignment shop find. And then you see those beautiful tie-dye eggs in that little canister there. They were from Walmart, 12 pieces for $1.98. I thought that was a pretty good price. They are so beautiful, you guys. I love those eggs. And then the little boxwood picks were also from Walmart at 97 cents each. Now here, this little cake stand here that I have those treats for my grandkids and maybe one or two for me every now and again. That was a DIY using some BB craft items that I did a while back. Those little cake stands or the little cupcake stands. And then the little pitchers here with the milk to hold milk or creamer. And then that beautiful little bunny is also a consignment shop find. Couldn't find any large bunnies this year. I guess someone must have gotten them all before I got there. And these beautiful napkins, you guys, are from the Dollar Tree. Aren't they gorgeous? Love, love, love them. This leaf canister here is from Inspire Me Home Decor, as well as my little tray that they are sitting on. And you guys, I don't eat a lot of breakfast, but I do like a snack maybe in the morning. So I usually get me those packs of nuts and run out the door with them. Great snack around 10:30 or 11 o'clock. Those beautiful eggs that you see that are lighted there, they are also a consignment shop find. So I was able to find more consignment shop items more so than thrifted or I guess from the Goodwill or places like that around here. Usually you don't find that much. And treats for the grandkids. Yes, indeed, you guys, I am ready. They will be coming over really soon. So I got this station ready. Yes, the coffee and the tea is for me and the girls, and for anyone that has been cleared to visit. And this white tea here, I picked it up from TJ Maxx, and then housed in the container here is my coffee pods for my Keurig. I am ready, you guys. Coffee and tea. Hey guys, I sure hope you enjoyed yourselves here today. I thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed my coffee. I hope you enjoyed my tea, and I hope that you enjoyed the chit chat that we were able to have. So if you're new to my channel, let me just say again, I welcome you. I thank you so much for stopping by. And if you want to become a part of this family here, hit that red subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming uploads. Now, all I need for you to do next is go over and visit the host, A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis, and her co-host, Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. Let's just show them so much love and appreciation for allowing us to partake in this collaboration on this day, as we share with you all our coffee and beverage station for 2021. Spring has sprung, and we are springing on you a multitude of ideas as to how you can set up your coffee or drink station in your home. So I thank you all so much for stopping by. Be blessed and take care. Don't forget, hit that red subscribe button, go over and visit the host and the co-host, and check out that playlist link that's in my description box below. Thank you guys so much.